Everyone, this is Sonam Yadav from MSc Second SAM and my topic is pattern of change in nucleotide. So first of all we know that what is nucleotide? A nucleotide is the basic building block of nucleic acid. A nucleotide consists of a sugar molecule, either ribose in RNA or deoxyribose in DNA, attached to a phosphate group and a nitrogen containing base. The bases used in DNA are adenine, cytosine, guanine and thymine. Now, theoretically and empirically studies were conducted on the pattern of nucleotide and amino acid substitution in evolution, taking into the account the fact of mutation at the nucleotide level and purifying selection at the amino acid level. A theoretically model for predicting the evolutionary change in electrophoretic mobility of a protein was also developed by using information on the pattern of amino acid substitution. The specific problem studies and the main result obtained are as follow. First, estimation of the pattern of nucleotide substitution in DNA nuclear genome. Second, estimation of pattern of nucleotide substitution in RNA genome. Third, evolution of the determinant of molecular evolution rate in protein coding genes. Fourth, studies on the evolutionary pattern of electrophoretic mobility of protein. Now, pattern of change in nucleotide is due to point mutation and nucleotide substitution among the 4 different nucleotides are inferred from the evolutionary change of pseudogenesis and functional gene respectively. The pattern of mutation is very different from that in DNA genome. Now, we are describe what is point mutation. A point mutation or substitution is a genetic mutation where a single nucleotide base is changed, inserted or deleted from a RNA or DNA sequence of an organism genome. Point mutation have a variety of effect on the downstream protein product consequences that are moderately predictable based upon the specific of the mutation. These consequences can range from no effect with regard of protein production, composition and function. The causes of point mutation are usually take place during DNA replication. DNA replication occurs when one double-stranded DNA molecule creates 2 single strands of DNA, each of which is template from the creation of a complementary strand. A single mutation can change the whole DNA sequence. Changing one purine or pyrimidine may change the amino acid that nucleotide codes for. Point mutation may arise from spontaneously mutation that occur during DNA replication. The rate of mutation may be increased by mutagens. Mutagens can be physical, such as radiation from UV ray, X-ray or extreme heat, or chemicals. Mutagens associated with cancers are often studied to learn about cancer and its prevention. There are multiple ways for point mutation to occur. First, UV light and higher frequency light are capable of ionizing electron, which in turn can affect DNA. Reactive oxygen molecule with free radicals, which are byproduct of cellular metabolism, can also be very harmful to DNA. These reactants can lead to both single-stranded DNA breaks and double-stranded DNA breaks. Third, in DNA eventually degrade, which creates another problem to keep the integrity of DNA to a high standard. There can also be a replication error that lead to substitution insertion or deletion mutation. Now, there are different categories to explain point mutation. In 1959, Ernest Fries coined the term transition or transversion to categorize different type of mutation. Transition are replacement of purine base with another purine or replacement of pyrimidine with another pyrimidine. Transversion are replacement of purine with a pyrimidine or vice versa. There is a systematic difference in mutation rate for a transition alpha and transversion beta. Transition mutations are about 10 times more common than transversion. There are different types of functional categories. First, non-essential mutation include stop gain and start lose. Stop gain is a mutation that results in premature translation code, a stop of gained which signal that end of transitions, then interpretation of causes the protein to be abnormally. Stop loss is a mutation in the originally termination codon. Misseness mutation for a different amino acids. A misseness mutation changes a codon so that a different protein is created. Third one is silent mutation. code for the same amino acids, a silent mutation does not affect the functioning of the protein. A single nucleotide can change, but the new codon specifies the same amino acid, resulting in an unmatured protein. This type of change is called synonymous change. There are different types of diseases which caused by a point mutation. First, cancer. Point mutation in multiple tumors suppress protein causes cancer. For instance, point mutation adenomatous polyposis coli promotes tumorigenesis. Second one is neurofibromatosis. Neurofibromatosis is caused by a point mutation in the neurofibroman. One is sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia is caused by a point mutation in the B globin chain of hemoglobin, causes the hydrophilic amino acid glutamic acid to be replaced with the hydrophobic amino acid valine at the 16th position. The beta globin gene is found on the short arm of chromosome 11. The association of two wild type alpha globin subunits with two mutant beta globin subunits form hemoglobin. Under low oxygen condition, the absence of a polar amino acids at the position 6 of the beta globin gene promote the non-covalent polymerization of hemoglobin, which distorts red blood cells in sickle shape and decreases the plasticity. Hemoglobin is a protein found in red blood cell and is responsible for the transportation of oxygen through the blood. There are two subunits that make up the hemoglobin protein, beta globin and alpha globin. Beta globin is created from a genetic information on the HBV or hemoglobin beta. Next disease is Tay-Sachs disease. This cause Tay-Sachs disease is a genetic defect that is passed from parents to children. The genetic defect is located in the EXA gene, which is found on chromosome 15. Now, next disease is color blindness. People who are color blind have mutation in their gene that cause a loss of either red or green cones, and they therefore have a hard time distinguishing between color. There are three kinds of cones in the human eye: red, green and blue. Now researchers have discovered that some people with the gene mutation that cause color blindness lose an entire set of color cones with no change to clearness of their visions overall. Matthew Michelson and Franklin Sutler are credited with the discovery of DNA replication. Watson and Crick acknowledged that the structure of DNA did indicate that there is some form of replicating process. However, there was not a lot of research done on this aspect of DNA until after Watson and Crick. People considered all possible methods of determining the replication of process of DNA, but no one were successful until Michelson and Sutler. Michelson and Sutler introduced the heavy isotopes into some DNA and traced a distribution. Through this experiment, Michelson and Sutler were able to prove that DNA reproduced semi-conservatively. This is all my part. Thank you so much.